use music to your advantage. Music can be a major distraction if it's not used properly, especially in my experience if the music has lyrics. I think it's because when you do cognitively demanding work, in your head there's a narrative going on. Let's try it this way, maybe I should do it that way, etc. There's actual language being used there. If you have a song with lyrics screaming in your ears from your earphones or your speakers, that is likely going to interfere with delivering the best possible work, which is definitely what I've experienced. On the other hand, music without lyrics has enabled me to focus immensely well. One piece of software that offers exactly that and more is called Brain FM. It claims to have science-based playlists to enhance your focus, your concentration, your creativity, or even relaxation. I've tried Brain FM over the past 6 months, and I have to say I'm impressed. If you want to give it a try, you can use the link in the description. They have a 3-day free trial, and I personally recommend using an atmospheric, cinematic kind of playlist to see if it can help you get into a deep work state. They even have functionality for things like the Pomodoro methods. However, I found this a bit too limited since the music just kept on going. The notifier when a Pomodoro session was over was hard to hear, in fact, and you cannot pause or configure it. So I just continued using my own Pomodoro timer. But in terms of concentration music, Brain FM is a permanent part of my tool stack. Somewhat related to this tip, but much weirder, is to shift the pitch of a song you're listening to. This has helped me with creativity specifically. And I think I know why. It's not a scientific thesis or anything, but I remember many years ago on YouTube, it became a trend to upload chipmunk versions of popular songs. Super annoying. You can look it up. They sound awful. However, when I listened to it, I do remember I felt that the song completely changed. It's not just the same song on a different pitch. It felt like something completely new. And that's something that can really help with creativity, because in the end, creativity is all about creating new connections based on something you already know. That is exactly what's happening when you change the pitch of a song. Now, you don't have to do it all chipmunk style and up it by a whole octave. There's a tool that I will link in the description. It's a Chrome extension that can shift it by just 1 or 2 notes, whatever you desire. Give it a try while you're doing creative work and see if it works for you. I know it has for me. I've come up with lots of ideas while brainstorming. This is a super weird but also super effective part of my tool stack.